What's going on, guys? Tyler here from T-Rod Outdoors, and today we're going to be unboxing another one of these MTB Pro boxes. This one is box 103. In the last episode we unboxed number 588, which is still sitting behind me. Still got to put it up on the bait wall. So we're going to unbox another one of these, and we'll compare the value and which one I think was better overall. So let's get into it. That out of here. Open up the goodie box. Alright, and right on top we got the list of what's all inside. So starting from the top, we got Livingston Lures Howler DMC. Let's see if I can find that. Livingston Lures Howler DMC. It's going to be a square bill crankbait. It's going to be in tiger spots is the color on this guy. Chartreuse with black back, black spots, and a orange, fluorescent orange bottom. It's even got a red hook in the front and then a classic hook in the back. Nice square bill crankbait overall. Not bad. Moving on to the next one, we got a Googan Squad Recon, which a Recon from the Googan Squad is a deep diving crankbait. It's going to get about 8 to 12 feet. This is sexy shad color. So 8 to 12 feet on that deeper diver crankbait. Moving on from that, we got a Samatis Baits Crawl Matis 2.0. Baits. Ooh, I like the color on that one. Doesn't say what the color actually is. Almost reminds me of like a candy crawl. It's like green pumpkin. It's got some green and purple flakes in there. And it almost reminds me of the Strike King Rage Tails, the Rage Bugs, I think they call them. And it's just like a tube style bait with then claws. Let's see, I'll open one up. Oh yeah, that's gonna catch them. Big, big claws on that guy. That's gonna cause a lot of vibration in the water. It's a nice looking bait. It doesn't have a ton of scent on it, just smells like plastic. So we're gonna have to add some scent. Probably some garlic. Big, big claws. Not a lot of information on the packaging from this Samatis Baits. But I'm sure it'll catch fish. We'll test it out. Next on the list, we got Heavy Metal Tungsten Flipping Jig. Ooh, tungsten, nice. Great color, peanut butter and jelly. One of my favorite colors for flipping jigs is peanut butter and jelly. So we got tungsten flipping jig in 3/4 ounce. Pair that nice with a crawl for out on the river. Moving on after that one. Castaic Finesse CBT Stick Bait. Wow. Some nice little trick worm here. Got plenty of action on that thing. That'd be a great wacky rig. Or even maybe a drop shot. Shaky head rig. Get you guys a close up of that. Nice. This one has a scent on it, but I can't put my finger on what exactly it is. Doesn't smell like plain plastic. It's definitely scented, just can't tell what it is. So looks like we got a 5-pack there, so not bad. This color's green pumpkin. moving on from that one. Big Bite Baits Coontail Worm. That's just the name of the bait. Coontail Worm. Looks like it is a 4-pack. Okay. So it's like a ringworm stick bait. Huh. It's weird. Body's different widths in all different areas, but it's like a rib stick bait, finesse style. This one looks like it's gonna be a watermelon red flake. There's nothing on the package, so it's gonna be watermelon red flake. It's 4-pack on those. That'll be really good wacky rig or just Texas rig. Really get a lot of movement out of all the ribs on the body in that one. We got the Dibbles Digest as always. We'll read that one later. We got the sticker that they sent with us. Looks like a ninja. Put that over here. See, I got my other one up over here if you can see it in view from the last MTB we unboxed. And then the last thing in here is some Mustad extra wide gap hook. This is a 4/0 2-pack with extra wide gap hook. So that's everything in the box. Like I said on the last video, we'll try to use a couple of these. Try to like maybe do an MTB slam if the fishing's good out on the river one day on dam 4 of the Potomac. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next time on T-Rod Outdoors.